What if one of these classic cars is still hiding the deal of a lifetime? From a factory 427 Corvette to a rare 69 Firebird 400, today's lineup might include the next collector's dream. Let's dive in.
Car number 1, 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe, CA $33,000. Here's a beautiful example of why the 1967 Ford Mustang continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. This dark blue coupe features a powerful 351 Cleveland V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, giving drivers the kind of raw, mechanical driving experience that modern cars simply can't recreate. Originally an Arizona car, this Mustang benefits from a solid structure with strong frame rails, clean floor pans, solid shock towers, and healthy rear spring mounts. Up front, you'll find front disc brakes for improved stopping power, while classic American racing wheels perfectly complement the aggressive styling. The two-tone blue interior remains in excellent condition, adding plenty of vintage charm every time you open the door. The paint still shines nicely despite a few minor chips and age-related imperfections, and the bright chrome trim found on the 1967 model continues to make this Mustang stand out from every angle. Several maintenance items have already been completed, including a new gas tank, valve cover gaskets, differential gasket, and shifter boot. Although the original radio no longer works, a CD player has been discreetly installed inside the glove compartment. At CA $33,000, this isn't advertised as a concourse show winner. Instead, it's an honest, solid driver that offers plenty of personality, classic V8 performance, and timeless Mustang styling that's ready to enjoy.
Car number 2, 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400, KA $57,000. If you're searching for first-generation muscle with serious attitude, this rare 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400 certainly deserves your attention. Finished in black over an immaculate original white interior, this Firebird packs an upgraded 400 cubic inch engine, producing an impressive 500 horsepower. That power is delivered through a Hurst 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.73 posi traction rear differential, creating a driving experience that feels every bit as exciting today as it did decades ago. The seller reports extensive brake service, including new calipers, rotors, master cylinder, and brake pads, making the car much more confidence-inspiring on the road. One of the most remarkable aspects is the paint. Despite being over 35 years old, it still presents beautifully, proving just how well this car has been cared for. New tires complete the package, while the original interior remains exceptionally clean and remarkably preserved. Rare, powerful, and instantly recognizable, this Firebird offers collectors one of Pontiac's greatest muscle car icons before the legendary era came to an end.
Car number 3, 1959 Chevrolet Biscayne, $49,000. The 1959 Chevrolet Biscayne may have started life as Chevrolet's entry-level full-size sedan, but today it represents one of the most recognizable automotive designs ever created. This particular example is powered by Chevrolet's dependable 283 cubic inch V8, backed by the classic PowerGlide automatic transmission. Power steering makes cruising surprisingly effortless, allowing the enormous tail fins and unmistakable 1959 styling to steal the spotlight wherever it goes. Showing approximately 77,000 miles, the seller describes the vehicle as being in excellent overall condition. The dramatic body lines, iconic rear fins, and unmistakable late 50s presence make this Biscayne a true rolling work of American automotive history. Whether displayed at local shows or driven to weekend cruises, few cars command attention quite like a 1959 Chevrolet.
Car number 4.
(1967) Buick Riviera, Canadian $24,000. The second-generation Buick Riviera remains one of the most elegant personal luxury cars ever produced. This 1967 example features a rebuilt 430 cubic inch V8, providing effortless torque and smooth highway performance. Rather than being advertised as a perfect showpiece, the seller honestly describes it as an excellent driver quality classic. That's often exactly what enthusiasts are searching for. A vintage luxury coupe that's meant to be driven and enjoyed, instead of sitting behind ropes at a museum. The Riviera's hidden headlights, dramatic fastback roofline, and beautifully sculpted body continue to make it one of General Motors' most admired designs from the late 1960s. For buyers wanting affordable luxury with serious V8 power, this Riviera represents an attractive opportunity.
Car number 5, 1951 Mercury M1 Pickup, KA $25,000. Classic trucks have never been more desirable, and this 1951 Mercury M1 Pickup offers something increasingly difficult to find: authentic originality. Powered by its flathead V8 and paired with the original 3-speed column-shift manual transmission, this truck retains its factory 6-volt positive ground electrical system without unnecessary modifications. An older frame-off restoration still presents beautifully today, while the truck continues to run, drive, and remain fully insured and roadworthy. Rather than becoming a heavily customized hot rod, this Mercury has preserved its original character, allowing enthusiasts to experience vintage truck ownership exactly as it was intended over 70 years ago. For collectors who appreciate honesty, originality, and classic craftsmanship, this Mercury M1 stands as a wonderful survivor, ready for many more miles.
Car number 6, 1968 Corvette Factory Big Block 427, cash $65,500. Few American sports cars generate excitement quite like a factory big block Corvette, and this 1968 model certainly checks all the right boxes. Under the hood sits the original matching numbers 427 cubic inch V8, equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor and backed by a 4-speed manual transmission. With just 59,000 miles showing, this Corvette represents one of the most desirable combinations available from Chevrolet during the late 60s. Originally finished in Le Mans blue, the car now wears an attractive burgundy repaint completed years ago that still presents exceptionally well. Recent maintenance includes new front and rear brakes, rear wheel bearing, emergency brake cables, new exhaust, factory rebuild quadrajet carburetor, fresh tires, and interior updates, including a new dash pad and passenger door panel. Featuring removable T-tops, 4-wheel disc brakes, telescopic steering, and remarkable originality, this Corvette remains an outstanding driver's car while continuing to appreciate in collector value.
Car number 7, 1951 Ford Victoria Hardtop, KA $33,900. Long before the muscle car era, Ford was already producing some of America's most elegant coupes. This raven black 1951 Ford Victoria Hardtop showcases the beautiful pillarless roof design that gives passengers an unobstructed panoramic view with all windows lowered. Powered by the legendary flathead V8 and a standard manual transmission, this Victoria has been restored to factory original specifications using all original sheet metal with virtually no body filler. Showing fewer than 29,000 miles and always stored in a heated garage, the car presents in outstanding condition throughout. Factory-correct interior materials, flawless paint, and meticulous family ownership combine to create one of the finest surviving examples available today.
Car number 8, 1967 Plymouth Fury 3, CA 9500. Not every classic has to cost a fortune. This 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 offers an affordable entry into full-size Mopar ownership while still delivering classic V8 cruising. Powered by its original 318 big block style V8 configuration and accompanied by roughly CA $3,000 worth of additional spare parts, including bumpers, alternator, starter, and more, this package provides plenty of value for someone willing to continue its restoration. Whether restored to original condition or customized into a weekend cruiser, the Fury 3 offers plenty of potential without breaking the bank.
Car number 9. 1969 AMX Estate Sale, CA $35,000. If outrageous horsepower is what you're after, this custom 1969 AMX may be impossible to ignore. Instead of factory power, this machine now features a supercharged 496 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 topped by a polished Y-end blower and dual Holley carburetors. Supporting modifications include aluminum heads, MSD Igno 400 transmission, Ford 9-inch rear axle, 4-link suspension,
tube chassis, four-wheel disc brakes, chrome moly drive shaft, weld racing wheels, and enormous Mickey Thompson rear tires. With only about 3,000 miles on both engine and transmission, this purpose-built machine delivers incredible performance while carrying an appraisal around $50,000. It's a radical custom built for enthusiasts who appreciate extreme craftsmanship and serious horsepower.
Car number 10, 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster, $54,000. Closing today's lineup is another outstanding Corvette, but with a different personality. Finished in correct rally red over black vinyl, this 1968 Roadster retains its matching numbers high-output 327 V8, original 4-speed transmission, and original differential. Factory options include power steering, power brakes, power windows, speed warning indicator, and a functioning AM/FM radio. Owned by the current seller for 13 years, the car has benefited from extensive suspension rebuilding, steering system restoration, radiator replacement, new seat upholstery, and the installation of a Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection system for greater reliability. The original quadrajet carburetor is also included. Original bonding strips remain intact, indicating the fiberglass body has never suffered major accident damage. For enthusiasts seeking a dependable summer cruiser that still retains exceptional originality, this Corvette represents one of the strongest values in today's classic car market.
Which classic would you take home if money wasn't the problem? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. We read every one. If you love discovering amazing classic cars for sale from across North America, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Another incredible collection is coming in our next video, and you won't want to miss it.